So next problem, 17th one, it's again JEE Mains 2019 problem as I said. Look here, it is given that 2x power 2y is equals to 4 into e power 2x minus 2y. That relation is given between x and y. We need to find 1 plus log 2x base c whole square into dy by dx. So this value we need to find. For that we need to differentiate it, and before applying differentiation, is there any possibility for simplification? That's what we need to think. If you observe, this is 2x power 2y, that is equals to 4 into e power 2x minus 2y. You just take logarithm on both sides for this expression, logarithm with base e. If you take logarithm with base e for that both sides, it becomes like this: logarithm of 2x power 2y to the base e is equals to logarithm of 4 into e power 2x minus 2y to the base e. Now how to proceed? So look here, this is logarithm of 2x power 2y. See, collect 2y here. So 2y into logarithm of 2x to the base e is equals to, and this is log 4 to the base e. Log 4 to the base e can be written as 2 log 2 to the base e plus logarithm of this e power 2x minus 2y. See, collect 2x minus 2y as a coefficient. So 2x minus 2y into log e to the base e. Okay, that log e to the base e is simply 1, we know it. Now look here. See, you just simply cancel 2 everywhere. 2 and 2 and 2 everywhere. So after that we have here y into log 2x to the base e is equals to, here we left with log 2 to the base e plus, since log e to the base e is 1 and 2 already we cancelled it, we left with x minus y. So this is the relation we have, and now differentiate it with respect to x. If you differentiate it with respect to x, what will happen? Just look here, y into log 2x base e, right? So here we have product of two functions. So first function, y into derivative for this log 2x, 1 by 2x into 2, is it right? For logarithm 1 by 2x, for 2x it is 2, plus log 2x to the base e into derivative of y is dy by dx. This is the derivative for the left hand side. Whereas coming to the right side, log 2 to the base e, since it is a constant, its derivative is 0, plus for x with respect to x, the derivative is 1 minus, for y with respect to x, it is dy by dx. Okay, further you just cancel this 2 and 2, you have 1 by x there. Okay, yeah. So now we have here y by x is equals to this side 1 minus dy by dx, and there we have log 2x base e into dy by dx. If you observe, totally there are 4 terms. First term of left side is y minus x, y by x. Second term is log 2x base e into dy by dx. Whereas right side we have 1 minus dy by dx. I am going to collect dy by dx left side as well the remaining part in the right side. So on simplification, what we have? So when you send dy by dx this side, you will get that 1 plus log 2x base e into dy by dx is equals to 1 minus y by x. Finally we have that 1 plus log 2x base e is equals to 1 minus y by x. Okay. Further, we need 1 plus log 2x base e whole square here, right? Okay. For that, you just have a look here. If you concentrate on this expression, what it is? Y log 2x base e is equals to log 2 base e plus x minus y. Suppose if you send y this side, it becomes y into 1 plus log 2x base e, right? So y into 1 plus log 2x base e. Okay, I am going to simplify this actually. If you we require this 1 plus log 2x base c whole square into dy by dx. For that, if you multiply both sides with 1 plus log 2x base e, what will happen? See, this is 1 plus log 2x base e whole square into dy by dx. This side, this 1 into 1 plus log 2x base e is 1 plus log 2x base e minus y by x into 1 plus log 2x base e. Y by x into 1 plus log 2x base e. Okay. Further, we need to simplify this part using 1 plus log 2x base e as log 2 base e plus x there, and on further simplification you will get the answer. Okay, have a look. See, complete the simplification part, you will get the answer. It's a mains 2019 problem. Okay.